Now, as you all are aware that in today's session, we will be learning about exactly how to sort the data in Google Sheets. So first, in order to make you explain, I've already made this particular sheet of grade 8 in which there are 5 students marks. The total is sum C3 comma sum C3 colon G3 and the percentage is 319 divided by 500. Done, and I have just made this particular part, that is format as percentage. If you want, I can show this thing to you again. Now, yes, see, I'm just reiterating this. So first I will be merging it all. We are aware about the merge operation, that I'm making it center align and then selecting all the text, putting a border to it. The text should be center aligned. This has been done. Now rows should be highlighted. We have already done this in the sync session or in the classes. So fill color, and I will be giving it a green color. So first, in order to select the total, I will be going in total. Directly from here, I am selecting a function called as sum, and I'll be selecting all the marks. Then autofill. Over here, equal to. Total, it is nothing but H3 divided by 500. You will be able to see this in decimal point. In order to format this particular cell as percentage, I'm making use of percentage and then drag it down. So over here, you are able to see that my sheet is ready. Now over here, sorting data in Google Sheets. How to sort the data? So first, if I want column I to be sorted in ascending order or in descending order, I have to go in a toolbar, that is data, and you will be able to see first sort A to Z. A to Z means lowest. So first, if I'm selecting only the percentage, I will be going in data sort A to Z. You will be able to see that the data is sorted according to the rows. One more time, I'm showing it to you, say 63, 65, 66, 72, and 80. In order to make it, I'm just putting Control Z. Now, I will be trying this with roll number, data, and decreasing order of the roll numbers. You are able to see over here 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and so this is the first kind. We are able to sort the data in ascending as well as in descending order. But there is one more way in which I will be able to sort the data. So first, select the entire sheet, go in data. You will be able to see an option called as sort range. When I click on sort range, you will be able to see ascending, descending, and advanced range sorting mechanism. Data has header. Now, if I am not selecting this, you will be able to see column A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Because in my table, you are able to say till column I, there are certain values in it. One more time, going in data, sort range, advanced ranging option. We have to take this. As soon as I take this, you will be able to see all the columns that I have named will be there. So I require first, suppose name in descending order from Z to A. Then add another sort column, maths A to Z. Add another sort column A to Z and then sort it. But the first condition is given to name, that is descending order. Now let's sort it and see. You will be able to see that the names are sorted in their decreasing order. First is P, then M, then I, then B, then A. Done. One more time, I'm showing it to you. Data, sort, done. Over here, by name, decreasing order. Another, maths, increasing order. So Peter, but since first criteria was given to the name, so Peter, 75, then it is Manpreet, 80, and so on. So this is the way in which we will be able to go for the sorting options. Now next, I require filtering data. Now what is the use of filtering data? If you go over here, data, you will be able to see an option called as filter, create a filter. As soon as I create a filter, I will be able to see this particular option coming over here. One more time, showing it to you. Suppose if I'm selecting only name, go in data, create a filter. You will be able to see this particular part option coming on all the sides. One more time, select data, create a filter. Now when you create a filter, you have to come to the name part. Basically, first, what is the use of the filter? Sorting is very clear. It is used to arrange the data in ascending or descending order. And yes, in Google Sheets, we are also able to apply sorting to more than one particular column. We have done this particular part. Now filtering. At times, now normally there is a huge amount of data, but in our sheet, I'm only able to show you roll number 1 to roll number 5. But if there is a huge amount of data, that particular huge amount of data makes it very difficult for us to understand that particular data. So I require to hide the data and I require to only see the data that I am interested in. So in Google Sheets, how to do it? By using filters. Filter is an option in Google Sheet that helps us locate the data we wish to find and hide the rest. Now over here, I'm interested only in roll number 1 data. So I will be going in roll number, just selecting roll number and I'm taking it all. Scroll down and click OK. As soon as you click OK, you will only be able to see roll number 1 data. 2, 3, 4, 5 are hidden. Done. Clear values. Okay, that means even data 1 will be gone now. Now, if you want to see all the data, select this. Okay, you will be able to see all the data over there. This is also the thing. From this, I will be able to remove the filters. As you are able to see, the filter has been removed one more time. What is the use of filters? The basic use of filters is to see only the important data and hide the rest of the data. Showing it to you over here, I will be going in. First, select the entire data. Go in data. Create a filter. Now, I require filters on percentage. So, I will be selecting percentage. Filter by value or filter by condition. So if I select filter by condition, what is the condition? The condition is that the percentage should be greater than or equal to 80. Done. Remove it and see if there is any percentage greater than 80. There was one particular percentage greater than 80. I will be showing you why this is happening now. Now one more time. This should be coming over here, but it was not coming. Why? So one more time. Create a filter. Go on percentage. Filter by condition. Filter by condition. When I click filter by condition, it will be showing you none. I have to select greater than. Greater than 80 and I have to give the sign as percentage. Only then it will be able to show me. See, now it is showing me greater than 80% only one. Because over here percentage sign is there. I'm removing the filter. So the filter part is very clear. Filter part it is used to highlight only certain rows from a given range of data so that it is very easy for us to see our data. Now, types of filters. You will be able to see this auto filter, custom filter and advanced filter. Now, the next part will be conditional formatting. Now, what is conditional formatting? Now, suppose if I want to list those particular students who have secured less than 40 marks, how to do it? Again, reiterating less than 40 marks in individual subjects. See what I have done? I have selected only the marks, that is maths, science, SST, English, Hindi. I will be going in format. Under format, you will be able to see conditional formatting. Select conditional formatting. Over here, you will be able to directly see the range. What is the range? From C3 to G7. Format cell if it is less than what? Less than, sorry, 40. You will be able to see less than 40. There are two, so it will be highlighted. Done. Again over here. If I want to select the students whose marks is greater than 80, select the marks, go in data, go in format, conditional formatting. Over here, you will be able to see add another rule. Click on add another rule. Again, the range of the cell will be selected greater than 80. This time, change the color. Done. You will be able to see that you are able to see the students also have secured less than 40, that is 37 and 32, and you will also be able to see the students that have secured more than 80, that is 82, 89 and 85. Done. One more time, reiterating the condition. This time greater than 70 I will put it. Done. So first select the cell, go in format, go in conditional formatting, add another rule over there. Cell value C3 to G7, not less than, greater than. So I will be typing exactly is equal to what? 77. So only 77 will be highlighted, changing the color to blue and making it done. You will be able to see value is less than 40, value is greater than 80, value is equal to 77. So these are the three values. I can even apply the same on percentage also. Select the percentage cell, go in format, conditional formatting, where percentage should be greater than 80 percentage. 80, we have to give the percentage sign. As soon as I give percentage sign, you will be able to see C. Now 80.60 is not selected. But as soon as I give percentage sign, 80.60 will be selected. Give any desired color, whichever color you want, and make it done. So these were the things about conditional formatting.